Placing kitchen splashbacks and upright panels. Kitchen splashbacks and upright panels are crucial finishes in many kitchens. Placing them is easy, you just need to know how to do it. This tutorial will teach you. First, kitchen splashbacks. The best way to position a splashback is to put yourself in elevation view. Generally speaking, it will be easier to position objects that are placed on a wall, such as a painting, a splashback, a niche, a shelf, etc. in the elevation view. Once in elevation view, you can easily measure the distances needed to place the splashback thanks to the measuring tool. If you need help with using the measuring tool, then you can check out our tutorial about it. Once the dimensions of the space have been measured, let's choose the splashback from the manufacturer's catalogue of our choice. Then enter the measurements. Then drag the splashback in elevation and release. Do not hesitate to put the splashback right up against an element such as the worktop so that it fits well. Do it again for the other walls and you will have placed your kitchen splashback. Since upright panels are placed against pieces of furniture, it is better to use the top view to place them. Let's take an example of an island. In the manufacturer catalogue, look for your upright panels reference. Enter the necessary measurements. The width corresponds to the thickness of the upright panel, and it appears by default in the manufacturer catalogues. The depth is the depth required for the upright panels. In our example, it refers to the width of the worktop. And then check the height. Sometimes it's easier to hide the worktop, so don't hesitate to do that. To do so, simply click on the worktop, then right-click on it, and then click Hide. While still in top view, drag and drop the upright panels against the piece of furniture. Don't hesitate to turn it by right-clicking with the mouse as you are moving it over the worktop. Don't forget to make the worktop reappear by selecting it, right-clicking on it, and then clicking on Show. Your upright panels will be perfectly positioned and placed.